that we haven't done before, but we're gonna try smoking some cauliflower for our side dish for our chicken that we're making tonight. Anyway, put some butter on it, put some water in the pan to help steam it, added some garlic pepper and some barbecue spice on there, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna put it on the smoker, gonna smoke it for about 30 minutes covered to help it steam, and then we'll uncover it and let the smoke soak into it. Set this right. Actually, I guess I will slide these over. Put that on the top shelf as well. Alright, 30 minutes on that cauliflower. 2.5 hours. I'm going to get that off of here and take the foil off and let it go another probably 30 minutes. Foil off. Oh, look at that steam coming out. Okay. Looking good. Get some smoke on. Check our cauliflower. Looks like it's doing pretty good. Let it keep going. It's been about 30 minutes out of the foil, 35 minutes, something like that. Cauliflower is looking good. Just going to take it off, see how it is. It's looking good. Put into it. Oh yeah, it's tender. Alright, we'll bust it up and tear into that too.